how to make, or how I made, a quick, easy pet water bowl stand. Let's get into it. Using offcuts from the dog food bowls I made in part 1 of this PUP series, I cut the legs and crossbeams down to size, with the legs at 4.5 inches and the crossbeams at 10. Then, after setting the blade height to half the depth of the pieces, I cut the lap joints starting a ½ inch above the bottom of the leg. I cut the outer edges all at once to ensure the joints were at equal height, then cleared the excess individually. While I get these cleaned up, I'd like to invite you to like, subscribe, and ring the bell if you'd like a heads up when I post my next video. I love hearing from you guys, and I'm always dreaming up new projects. Anyway, back to the build. I went through the same process for the crossbeams. Then cut half laps in each of their ends to meet the lap joints in the legs. After failing to record the glue up of the uprights to the crossbeams, I gave everything a finishing level sand down, rounded outer corners of the uprights, and proceeded to fail to record the glue up of the center lap joint. Then, after one more finishing level sand down, I sealed the stand. And that's a wrap. Thanks so much for watching. If you missed part 1 of the PUP series, where I make the mid-century inspired food bowls, click the link in the top right corner. And if you want a heads up when I post my next video, ring the bell. Plus, I love hearing from you guys, so please feel free to like, subscribe, and comment below. Until next episode.